I have attended the Leadership Healthcare Delegation trip to DC, I think 3 or 4 years now. It's informative. It really helps me put what I am doing in perspective. The quality of speakers here is just amazing, and so it's a really unique and wonderful opportunity.
It's funny, I think the more things change in DC, the more they stay the same. A lot of talk and maybe not a lot of progress. It's good to be in Nashville where we can actually get things done and not actually debate things over and over. But it's interesting to hear that people talk about the issues we do face around EMR implementations, interoperability, Medicaid expansion. And it's a great opportunity to be here and hear directly from thought leaders and policymakers about where the industry's going. Because it's always important to have an eye towards the future as we think about running our businesses back in Nashville.
One of the most important things to me is the incredible diversity of vantage points that the speakers have had, and I've had the opportunity so far to hear a CNN correspondent on the one hand and a storied and former senator, majority leader on the other hand, and it's been incredible to hear how different they approach the same kinds of issues, but seeing their different perspectives is one of the real reasons that I came here today, and that's been absolutely fulfilled so far.
Meeting people that are the emerging leaders in all sorts of businesses across healthcare, from healthcare services to health plans and different investor groups that are here, and interacting with those folks and talking to them about the issues that they face and the challenges that they're working through is really a good opportunity to really kind of collaborate and share insights.
Well, I believe that this delegation adds value. For me personally, introducing me to another perspective. Here I got to see, a business point of view. I was able to see a politician's point of view. And for me, being primarily in the hospital most of the time, I usually see a physician's point of view.
The Leadership Healthcare Delegation trip is really essential for the work that we do. It not only helps me stay up to date on current topics, but also messaging. It really helps us tone our messaging as a company. It also offers wonderful networking opportunities.
As healthcare professionals, whether we are healthcare providers or in the client service business as attorneys or accountants, we spend so much time with our heads down and trying to do really good work for our clients and for the people that we serve. And it's important to take the opportunity to look up and take a step back and get the big picture and get the perspective, and that's why I'm here, because there are people who can talk about the big issues that we focus on in a very detailed way every day, and having that opportunity to see that perspective and to get a refocus of our vision and our goal has been really the most important thing for me.
This is my first delegation. I really wanted to come because I kind of want to see how healthcare and politics and business, how it all intersected. I want to see how members from each of those sectors interacted, how they put together policy, basically what the impact is on a national scale of healthcare, how they view healthcare here on Capitol Hill versus how it's viewed in Nashville. And I was really interested to see the impact that Nashville has on the rest of the country in the healthcare sector.